Everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph Hbar token. That what's the price changes occur in Hedera. Let me show you guys. But if you're new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. The currently live and latest price of Hedera Hashgraph is about 0.364189 USD dollar. That is the current price of Hedera Hashgraph. Other side, if we talk about the changes update, so now the last 1 hour update is about positive 0.71%. The last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph is completely negative. But don't worry, guys. Very soon the changes of Hedera Hbar token will become positive. Positive 0.71% changes over in Hedera Hashgraph is positive, and I believe, guys, that for a long time Hedera price will become positive. Let me show you just a price chart. You can see, guys, a lot of people also talk me about this loss, but guys, you know what, this dump is just temporary dump. And now you can see here, guys, if you look the latest last 1 hour update, so as I showed you in the start of this video, that the latest changes of Hedera Hashgraph is positive, and I believe, guys, that for a long time Hedera price will become positive, guys. Positive 7.06% changes of Hedera is positive, and 0.421787, that is the highest price of Hedera Hashgraph, guys. So guys, on the basis of this update, I recommend for all of you that it is a good time to hold, it is a good time to buy Hedera Hashgraph, because the future of Hedera is very bright, and I believe that in the upcoming 4 days there is pump. So just hold. Anyways, what's your opinion? Share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel.